My name is Norlaini Sididato and I am under the course of Animal Science 001 section BBC1. So my video about animal breeding and history of genetics. So since animals were first domesticated, animal breeding have been using selective breeding to determine which animals will become parents of the next generation. Initially, this decision was based on the animal appearance. For example, when domesticating a wolf to generate the different dog breeds, parents were selected based on temperament, different. So yun nga, sabi ko nga, since yung mga animals talaga is sila yung mga first domesticated animals for us to, in order for us to survive. So that is why yung mga breeder or yung mga nag-aalaga ng hayop is gumagawa sila ng selective breeding kung saan tinitingnan nila or hinahanap nila kung ano nga ba yung klaseng hayop yung may magandang traits or characteristic na maaaring nilang padamihin. So for example, selecting breeding, when we see breeding is the mating of two animals. So pipili sila ng may magandang quality na animals, saka ito sila yung imimit sa isa't isa in order for them to produce a progenies that has high value and high qualities. Kumbaga, syempre, we all know that each parents contribute a 50% of their genes. So, after nila makaproduce ng progenies or yung mga offspring nila is talagang yung dalawang parents na yun is magkukumbine yung traits nila. That is why yung offspring nila is, kumbaga, may mas magandang quality compared doon sa parents kasi nag-combine yung dalawang traits ng kanyang magulang. So, yun, that is how animal breeding works. So, tapos, the animal genetics is the study of genes. Genes impact the performance of an animal and are passed on from the parents to offspring. And at Hendrix Genetics, we study animal and collect data on the performance or so-called traits they express. So, yeah, kumbaga na yung breeding, animal breeding is they reflect how the offspring or the progenies will be produced, or kung paano sila napoproduce with this paano sila napoproduce with this kind of traits or different kinds of traits that came from their parents. So yeah, there are best method in using the animal breeding. That is the artificial method of breeding, which is include artificial insemination and MOAT technology. Kasi by the usage of technology is mas napapadali sa mga breeders natin na hanapin or ma-detect yung mga magagandang traits doon sa specific parents na pinili natin to produce the next generation. So another one is the history of genetics. So the early theories, yung before kahit na-evolve yung mga technology natin is talaga naman, kumbaga, we already have this, or yung mga ancient people, hindi nila kung paano importante ang pagbubreed ng animals in order for the mankind to survive, kasi na they are one of our consumption para makasurvive tayo. So yeah, so they practice selective breeding to improve crops and livestock. So hindi lamang ito nagbe-base doon sa livestock, which is yung mga animals, because it also concern crops, yung mga crops or yung mga pananim. That is all for the animal breeding and history of genetics. Again, thank you for listening.